Hey, seventh graders. I wanted to make a video today just to explain to you guys a little bit of time signatures in depth. We've had time signatures on every line of music that we've played ever since we started playing in band, but for so long they were so much the same that we hardly even ever looked at them. So today we're just going to do a really quick review of the different time signatures and what everything means in them. Time signatures are always made up of two numbers. You have the top number that tells you how many beats there are in every measure. So in 4/4 time, you have 4 beats in every single measure. And then the bottom number means what kind of note gets one beat. Now, the way to remember that is if you put a 1 over the top, that's the kind of note that gets the beat. So if the bottom number is 4, a quarter note is equal to 1 beat. And we lived so much of our life like that we were really comfortable with it. And so you would see all kinds of different time signatures with 4. We had 4/4 or common time. We would see 3/4, which sort of has that waltzy feel. We had 2/4 time, which our march was in. We were very, very comfortable playing where a quarter note equals 1 beat, whether it's 4 beats in a measure, 3 beats, or 2. However, a couple weeks ago, we introduced cut time. And cut time is actually 2/2 time. So 2 beats per measure, the top number is how many beats per measure. But that bottom number changing means a lot. If you put a 1 over the top, it tells you that a half note is equal to 1 beat. Now, it's going to be a while before we play anything that's in any time signature with the bottom number 2 that's not 2. So for the most part, for now, we're going to be playing everything in cut time, which is 2/2. You can have 3/2, you can have 4/2, you can have 6/2. You'll see other kinds of rhythms that have a bottom number of 2, but we don't often play in them. A lot of much older, more traditional classical music will have those time signatures. We really don't see them very much in the repertoire that we play. So in cut time, a half note is 1 beat. Most often in cut time, we'll see that in 2/2 or a C with a slash through it. Now, the one we're going to learn this week is 3/8. Now, we're going to get rid of that top number. If you make it a 1, it tells you that an 8th note is worth 1 beat. So we're going to totally change the rules again. Now, we're first going to work in 3/8. But then really soon we're going to actually begin to work in 6/8, which is the most common time signature with an 8 on the bottom. But you'll also see things in 9/8 and 12/8 and all kinds of different 8 things. So this week we're going to start working in 3/8, but I wanted to give you a chance to check out the cut time thing, just to review a little bit again, and then also just to sort of look at 4/4 maybe in a new light. So these are the way that these time signatures work, and if you have any questions about time signatures, just hit that envelope on the Schoology page or leave something in the discussion board and everybody can see it, so that I can help out more people at once. All right, guys, have a good week.